Hey Amanda, what you doing?
Making rice.
For real?
Cow. I'm really bad at making rice though.
Looks pretty good to me.
I need to make some eggs.
We're gonna make eggs?
Yeah.
We're gonna show you guys how to make eggs.
Eggs and rice.
Eggs and rice.
Some show you.
Show you the
I think this is gonna take a long time for this to cook though. This rice.
Look at the rice.
We got the stupid rice cooker.
Love it. What are you doing now? Are you rinsing it again?
Yeah. 3 times. So the rice is dirty. We can stop doing it.
Did you hear that? The rice is dirty.
Dirty.
You gotta wash it 3 times.
Dirty.
Okay, and then is that your last time? Okay.
I think so. Still looks kind of weird though. It looks like white. You know you can get like drunk off of vanilla extract.
Not even. She's joking.
Okay. You can grab the pan if you want.